FBC has been a wonderful find for our family. We came to them about 15 years ago, I think, and my dad's a doctor and has had a buffalo ranch for 47 years, and we found that one of the problems with having an accountant who primarily deals with city businesses is he wasn't really up on the tax code with regards to what could be sort of deducted, etc. And when we came to FBC, they basically took a look at past returns and were able to save us another $90,000 that we could. Fantastic to deal with, know their stuff very well, and all sorts of other sundry sort of aspects, whether it's estate planning, wills, sort of planning for what deductions could be made before having to do your tax year, were tremendous. And I really would encourage other Bison Association members, OBA members, to really seriously take a look at it. I know for our family they did a tremendous job, and would really encourage that you actually seriously take a look at them and invite them to take a look at your business and advise whether what you're doing is just great or whether they can really help you out.